means almost no value. Especially the way it's grown, industrialized with a lot of chemicals and this and that. So when you see that, you'll go, hang on. Well, ragi is part of a culture, wheat isn't. And yet we're all eating wheat now, chapati and whatever, it's all these breads and pizza. Let's start going back to ragi, I mean, I don't know if ragi is really part of the Kerala culture.
We do make a
Yeah. So, it's to value because then we have an understanding of who we are. The British are leaving the European Union, which is a very foolish thing. It's the British, they constantly have this thing that they think they're going to again be rulers of the world. That was one terrible moment in their history. So they want to be outside the European Union, but economically and on a security level, it's a big mistake. So why is that happening? It's a foolishness. I believe it's happening because the people don't have a sense of identity. You go to any supermarket, any gas station, you buy any food you want 24 hours a day, whatever you like. And there's no understanding of where it's grown or is it in season, There's no understanding. So there's no connection to the particular earth where they live. Whereas if you go in Tamil Nadu or in Kerala, in other places, there's still connection, There's still this sense, as I give the example, kappa, meen korumbu. There's that connection of this is our cultural food. So that food becomes the identity of a population. And that gives them a coherence. That gives us a collective value. Otherwise, collective values become just according to our concepts, opinions, beliefs, so that what I believe doesn't necessarily affect you. He might agree with me, it might cross his belief and mine. But it's very relative, But then if you go to something like nutrition, it touches everybody. So it's a much more fundamental thing than just an opinion and a belief. So knowing where the food comes from on a local level is really a very fundamental part of a healthy society.